But here's how I would go about this. And I do agree with you. The question is, what's the value that you get from this? Because all these little things that the defense did about the prosecution didn't do this and the police didn't do that, all that goes away if the jury doesn't believe the defendant. But Brian, just last point before we get into your argument, the fact of the matter is sometimes no matter how much you bring the horse to water, they're not going to drink the advice because there's a lot of ego at play with people like this that think they could talk their way out of it. What's been your experience?
My experience is I've had about 5 or 6 jury trials, and I think about half of them, or maybe 2/3 of them, I've worked with my client to testify, and ultimately we decide that they don't. And I think it comes down to the relationship that you have and the trust that they have in you. Ego is a big thing. I get it. Mine is bigger than the average person as well. But I think if the client truly trusts you and you can really explain to them how difficult testifying is, regardless of guilt or innocence,